Good afternoon, folks. Welcome back to Bamboo Performance and Vintage Chainsaws. You're here with what used to be known as Nick the Forester. That's me. I'm Nick. I'm a forester. I'm in the timber industry. And just wanted to do a video for my man Timberslasher, Sean, out of North Carolina. If you ain't seen him, go check him out. Good logging videos. I think he's gonna snag this Pro 55 off me. Got a new fuel line in it, and we're going to do a first start on it. So let's see how she does. See how she does on restart. I think it just had to prime up the carb. See how she does. I'll do one more cold start for you, Sean. Make sure she's good to go. Do need to tune on the carb a little bit, but she seems to be running pretty good. So hope you enjoyed this quick little video, especially you, Sean, just for you. And I'll see you on the next one. I gotta get in and go do some things in the house. So appreciate y'all watching. Don't mind, like, subscribe, share, and hope y'all have a great rest of your weekend. Thanks, y'all.